Traders, I'm looking at gold on a daily time frame. Just looking at some of these pullbacks. Yeah, I mean, it's pulled back in a similar fashion as it has previously, give or take. And I'm wondering whether it's going to find its feet here and we get an opportunity to go long. We do have this pin bar candle under here. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Alright, so it's a bullish trend in the 4 hour. It's still a higher low at the moment. So I'm regarding this definitely bullish. This is with it really quite a deep pullback here. So I'm looking for an opportunity to buy, and we're trading into this bullish order block back in here on the 4H. So we'll just mark that up. 4H. Big support level, guys. As you can see, it's reacted off this level and kind of holding up. So let's just go down to a 15-minute chart. I'll tell you what I'm looking for. Simply put, yeah. All right. We've got, at the moment, this downtrend. And it's trading into, so we've marked up this level already. And it could roll over here and continue down. That's a possibility. I mean, it is trading into, well, we've got, well, this 15-minute time frame, we've got this balance area, value area down in here, 15M. Right, so big support level. It's bounced off it, and I'm wondering whether it holds here. Now, I don't want to be selling gold at the moment. My bias is bullish, given that the higher time frame is predominantly bullish. So I'm really only looking for a buy opportunity. And that will come if we see this. Basically, I'm waiting for certain price action to play out. And it's the only way I will get involved with this. So we've got this level here, okay, strong support zone. And I want to see it range for a bit. Possibly we get a bit of volatility above and below this current range. So range, well, something like that. Okay, I kind of want to see this trade sideways for a bit so that it builds liquidity. When it's trading sideways, you know that bigger players are then working their orders in. For example, see here how it's traded sideways. They're building their orders in and it's shorted. All right, this is a stop run. Takes out liquidity and then bang, down it goes. I mean, we could see more downside with this, given we have this displacement here and here as well. Okay, so we are seeing pretty strong movement south. Okay, now my bias is bullish. However, I'm going to be waiting for price action to invite me in. Now this could happen here, or it could happen down in here. I don't want to sell. I don't want to be going short. So I'm going to be waiting for this trend to set up, whether it's here or further down. I mean, we've got these levels down here. Just have a look at these key levels where you see value. All right, so that's the next port of call if it happens to break south. Now, the thing to look for then would be a break of market structure, a retest and fail. But you know, you want to see it ranging sideways, flatten out, and then you want to see the volatility spiking up and down, and preferably a spike up before the spike down. So this is a bit of a fake out, and then they attack stop losses under. All right, and then my entry point is going to be wherever this range is, at the high of the range. Retrace, retest, and fail at the high of the range. That's as simple as that. It's a really simple strategy. Let this play out. It ranges and break of market structure bullish, BOS. Okay, so here, for example, something like that. And then you want to see higher highs and higher lows forming so that this sets up a trend in that direction. But at the moment, this is trending down. All right, so you want to see this base, some sort of a base forming, and then higher highs, higher lows, break and retest of the range. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, guys. Some comments below would be awesome, and I would go stop under the low, something like that, and away we go. Targets, go for broke. Trend-based fib extension, stay in it until, if it does happen to play out here, well and good. If it trades lower and it plays out further below, then that's your entry point when it does shift gears. But go for 2R minimum, and while this is trending up, follow it up with your stop loss. That's all I can say. Pull your stop to break even once you go trade past this 1R. And first target would definitely be, well, up around 1R, up around in here, and then trail it. Guys, that's my take on gold. Very simple strategy. Wait for the setup, and with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.